Hello everyone, today I am going to share software defined networks IMP questions. So let's see. Unit 1, explain SDN architecture with need diagram. Second question, differentiate between software defined networks and traditional network. Third question, explain the centralized and distributed control and data plane. Next question, explain the traditional network architecture with need diagram. State the different challenges in traditional network. I am having NLP, but as per analysis of PYQs, I have given these questions. So I just hope it comes in paper and helpful to you all. Now let's see for the second unit. Explain open flow in detail. Second question is explain SDN controller with need diagram. Next question, explain logical ports, physical ports, reserve ports in open flow switches. Next question, explain the open flow pipeline processing in detail. Explain advantages and disadvantages of open flow. And the last question is explain various open flow message types. And also a note to share, if you have time left, refer to the textbook as well. Just overlook the diagrams if any, or differences or examples as well. From the previous questions I have analyzed and given these questions to you. So it's better that you complete all these questions. If you do these questions, you will shortly receive 20+ marks. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, subscribe please. Thank you.